Alright guys, we are gonna come back to the L15 Integra motor, and I just realized that Micah, he was turning this rod right here, and I'm gonna try to see if I can remove it. Oh yeah, I think I can. Sick. Wait, hold up. Hold up. I just need you to hold the back side under it. I don't understand why it gets so big.
Yeah, standard sizes.
Because it keeps like moving. Cool, so this is a 10th gen rod and stock piston. See it? This is the Integra bearing. bearing half of a rod basically. I'm gonna reattach this so we can. Look how much got destroyed. All this is wrecked. The bolt got super bent in. This whole rod is just like you can see where all the metal bent. Just freaking twisted and just released. All right. So this is a stock 10th gen Civic Si bearing cap. Like this is gonna be where the rod is. This is the bearing area. So you see the difference. There is a difference in overall.
Yeah, I was gonna say put this one here.
You can see how much smaller it is.
Yeah, you can actually see it is smaller. There's like a lip all the way around compared to the other one.
And if you flip it, you can see where that lip starts, just there. So the area of this is where the bearing would be, which I guess isn't that. The bearing isn't really that different, you know. It's still the same like width or the same thickness, but as like the tension ones. See? Alright, cool. So we got the motor on top of the box. And we are going to flip it and hopefully it can drain in here into this thing. This is where we do the transmissions. We're back. I'm taking out the tent off the oil pan and we're finally gonna see under this brand new block. You hear all that?
Didn't even need a hammer.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh my god, even the... Damn, even the baffle for this? Oh, I think it has a baffle? That's sick.
Had a baffle.
Yeah, it actually has a baffle right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh, damn, look at all these scoring right here. Rod number 2 is good. Rod number 3. Number 4 is not good. That means that all that extra metal from this rod blew out into number 3. So 3 actually didn't give out, it was just one rod.
I heard metal on there.
Yeah, there's metal in the picture. Here's your piston rod. Damn, this shit's... Oh, well. Probably the lack of oil. Looks the same though. Legit looks the same as a 10 gen. Where it happened to the bearing cap? Oh, here it is. Cool. So I'm gonna connect this again so we know this was for this. And then this would be a good comparison versus the 10 gen one. Alright, so this one was a little bit jammed in there. As you can see, all the rings are chewed and destroyed, but this is the piston on cylinder 4, which is completely. Damn, so that means that the connecting rod or the wrist pin is what fucking.
Yeah.
The connecting rod broke too, but the wrist pin just literally exploded off of it, right? Now, get the oil pump off. Here's the oil pump. We'll open this later and inspect this. Saw that? Alright, so we got all the main caps off. As you can see, it finally rotates freely. Before I wasn't even moving it.
No, took effort.
All the bearings, surprisingly, very good. You can see all the puncture holes that were made. Yeah, so cylinder 4 was just gone. As far as damages, basically. We can compare this to a tension one now. Alright, so now we're back in the engine room. We've confirmed that the actual piston is the same. It looks identical. It's even the same bore size and everything. The rod looks almost identical except for where the bearings, the bearing caps are gonna go. So this actually looks larger compared to the tension one. But besides that, I mean, there's really no difference. So even where this connects, to where like it tapers out into the actual bearing cap, it looks about the same diameter, the same width. I'm gonna grab this tool right here and a micrometer and see what the actual distance is between the Integra and the tension. This one is 1 inch. So 1 inch, 8, 1.
Focus on that.
1 inch, 8.1.
You can already see from that it's
a big difference.
Yeah.
So 1.711 or 710. Or actually about 3 millimeters. Just a rough estimate, but just from trying to see the micrometer really fast. Should be around 3 to 4 millimeters difference, which we thought it was, that's what it was. So yeah, definitely smaller, but we're not gonna go too in depth with this. We might send this out to Saints Performance and hopefully make some rods in the future. Yeah, so it's definitely a difference, as you can tell. But yeah, that crank is gonna be different to the tension one. Just obviously where the rods connect, it's gonna be the same distance, you know, in comparison to the Integra one. But yeah, obviously, like you guys can see, it's gonna be like a very interesting car to see how much we're gonna be able to track it. I mean, they look almost the same. Like, everything looks almost the same. I mean, except for this, but even the bolts are the same, pistons the same. Thank you guys for watching. Obviously, this is gonna be the car that people are really wanting to buy, but they're on the fence. But like I said in all our videos, we're not trying to discourage you guys. It's just things happen, and as Micah can tell you, like they just kind of happen, you know, like.
When you go to do any performance mods on your vehicle, you gotta kind of expect things to happen. Sometimes they happen sooner than later. There's nothing wrong with this platform, and it's a great car. Very fun to drive. Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys can like, subscribe, leave a comment below. It's been a long day here, but we ended up buying one for ourselves. Jasmine is super excited about it. She's already been doing stuff. I am trying to convince her to put wheel spacers on it. So if we do, I'll post it up on our Instagram. And then we just noticed, me and Micah were talking about it. Look how wide, look how in the wheel is actually. Which is kind of weird, because it's kind of, it looks like it has camber, huh? If you really look at it, like, it's kind of weird. And then the front is not the same. Like, the front is kind of like straight, but yeah, I don't know. We just did a couple of updates to the Integra. Well, for our we did a spoon Duracon shift knob, and then we kind of went a little bit above and beyond with all the Acura accessories. We ended up getting the cargo organizer, the actual tray, and then the seat protector cover. And then we just installed the actual netting, which is an option, but definitely was a hassle. We had to drill into this, and yeah, a lot of people might not want to do that, but we decided we want to do it since we bought it. And then yeah, we are currently breaking in the engine for this car because we are planning on getting wheels and lowering it and doing some track stuff. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.